أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة remote study. Welcome to the 10th part of our lesson series from the book titled Learn Tajweed with Ease. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. So in this part of the lessons, we are going to discuss another very important concept in Tajweed, which is known as Izhaarun Mutlaq. Izhaarun Mutlaq. Absolute Izhaar. Izhaarun Mutlaq. Absolute Izhaar. Izhaarun Mutlaq has to do with just two letters, Wawun and Ya'un. Wawun and Ya'un. You remember, Wawun and Ya'un are letters of idgham. Wawun and Ya'un are letters of idgham. MashaAllah. However, a letter of idgham and Nun Sakina or Tanween will never be found in a single word. A letter of idgham and Nun Sakina are not found in a single word. If you find any letter of idgham and Nun Sakina in a single word, you don't apply idgham. So you apply the rule of Izhaarun Mutlaq. You apply the rule of Izhaarun Mutlaq. As you can see, a reciter is expected to read Nun Sakina or Tanween without Gunna when there is Ya'un or Wawun after Nun Sakina in a single word, which means you don't apply the rule of idgham upon seeing any letter of idgham with Nun Sakina in a single word. Once you come across any letter of idgham and Nun Sakina in a single word, you apply the rule of Izhaarun Mutlaq, absolute Izhaar. Meaning, you read your Nun Sakina without Gunna, just like what you do to Izhaar. Read your Nun Sakina without Gunna, most especially Wawun and Ya'un. When you see them appearing after Nun Sakina in a single word, you apply the rule of Izhaarun Mutlaq, absolute Izhaar. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Okay, let's read the examples. Here is Nun Sakina and here is Ya'un. Both of them are in a single word. Both of them are found in one word. So how do you read them? You read them with light gunna, not deep gunna. So you read it as Bunyan. Digest it. Bunyan. Plainly. Okay, this one, Nun Sakina, then Ya'un. Ad-dunya. Ad-dunya. No gunna, no deep gunna is applied. Here is Nunun and here is Ya'un. Bunyana. Bunyana. Deep gunna is not applied. Nun Sakina and here is Wawun. Kinwan. Kinwan. Deep gunna is not applied. You don't read it as Kinwan. Very wrong. Kinwan. That is wrong. You don't do that. You apply Izhaarun Mutlaq. Kinwan. Nun Sakina and Wawun. Shinwan. 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 So that's how you read it. So, if you may ask me, what is the rule of this Nun Sakina? I'll tell you. The rule of Nun Sakina here is Izhaarun Mutlaq, not idgham. Izhaarun Mutlaq, because Nun Sakina and a letter of idgham are found in a single word. So once they are found in a single word, you apply the rule of Izharun Mutlaq, which means read your Nun Sakina without deep gunna. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Kindly like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.